My name is Ben Lucero, owner-operator. 3757 Pacific Avenue in Ogden. Crazy history. I started out doing paint touch-up and bumper repairs mobile 25 years ago. Started this company, then we've been in this building for since 2001. Actually, we went to the SEMA show, looked at all the frame racks, and this was just more versatile as far as taking off the pulling towers, and can use it just as a mechanic's rack, a lift. Just the ease of it, the measuring system. You pull up the computer, tells you what mounts to put on the frame, illustrations, pictures, full instructions to mount that car onto the rack. I'm proud of the product that we have. It was a big investment for sure, as it should be, to have a good quality part. Don't go with the cheap stuff. You pay for what you get. You have to use the best stuff and equipment, product lines, paint lines, to get the customers and clientele that we have. That's it stands out. We take a lot of pride in our work. We're a smaller shop, so as an owner coming out into the shop and me working out in the shop, we get to see everything that's going on, and the quality control is tight knit. Comebacks are very rare. Our guys only have trained to work with the newest and latest and greatest equipment, product lines, and if I had the older stuff, I'd have to teach them. Now they're teaching me because they go to more classes than I do. We're going into the Mercedes certification. We're almost needing the bigger rack, the 18-foot. We just got to keep up with the, up with the flow and everything else.